I got fed up with losing my video ideas, half-written scripts, dead notes apps, projects that never shipped. So I built this. Welcome to ApexVeo. Let me walk you through how I track every project from rough idea to published video, using real YouTube data, not guesswork, where AI does the heavy lifting and I make the decisions.
This is ApexVeo, your whole video workflow in one place. 7 stages, left to right. Discover, write, package, create, distribute, publish, learn. An idea enters on the left as a sentence and leaves on the right as a published video with real numbers attached. Let me walk you through it once, end to end, by making an actual video. Everything starts with new idea. Give the card a working title, then describe the idea in one sentence. Don't overthink it, rough is fine. Now the important click, generate fields from idea. ApexVeo researches the idea for you. Target audience, who this is actually for, why they care, the emotional job the video does. An opening hook with 3 alternatives underneath. Click any one to swap it in. And on the right, the part I want you to trust, the content score. This isn't the AI grading its own homework. It's checked against live YouTube data. Competing videos, search volume, how evergreen the topic is, revenue potential. Under 60, think twice before filming. Everything here is editable. The AI drafts, you decide. 2 more tools before you commit. Research lets you pin competitor videos and notes, so your references live on the card instead of in 17 tabs. And the virality check. 6 honest questions. Strong hook, unexpected twist, clear mechanism, shareable angle, rewatch value, audience urgency. Tick what's true. If you can't tick much, the idea isn't ready. Better to find out now. Let's show you what we can do to improve your video score before we even write a script. You're on Discover. You've got your target audience, why they care, your opening hook, and a healthy content score. Most tools stop here. This is where ApexVeo starts. Find the winning video on your topic, the one you're actually competing against, and paste it in under Research. Now watch the content score. It's dropped to 50. Don't panic, that's not a bug, that's honesty. ApexVeo just measured your idea against a proven winner, and right now, their video beats yours. Better to hear that from a dashboard than from the algorithm 3 weeks from now. This is where ApexVeo comes into its own. It pulls the transcript from that winning video and breaks it down. The exact hook they opened with, every key point they covered, the weaknesses in their delivery, and the one that matters most. The gaps we can own, the stuff they never covered. Then it writes your advantage for you, a one-line strategy for beating them. It even suggests the hook for your video. 1 click and it's yours. Then we finish the steal. Copy those gaps into your idea box up top and regenerate. New target audience, new why they care, new hook. Your idea just absorbed everything the winner did right, plus everything they left on the table. Hit rescore, and there it is, 50 to 92. Same topic, same effort to film, but now the data says your video wins because it's built on their strengths and their blind spots. Save, move to write, and generate your script. Everything you just learned, the hook, the key points, the gaps you now own, carries forward into the script automatically. You're not writing from a blank page, you're writing from intelligence. Now lock in your call to action. Hit Generate CTA and it writes 3 options, each one built from your actual script, not a generic like and subscribe. 1 teases the series, 1 asks the audience a question that fills your comments with video ideas, 1 sets up the next video. Pick the one that fits, click it, done. And notice the checklist, script complete, hook finalized, CTA written, read through done. 4 for 4, this stage is finished and it can prove it. One more trick, if you've connected 11 Labs during onboarding, hit preview script audio and hear the script read back. Scripts always sound different out loud. This catches clunky lines before you're stood in front of a camera. The preview is capped to a short sample for now, but paste the full script into 11 Labs and export the whole voiceover. There's also a quick preview with the browser voice. Lower quality but no account needed. That's the loop. Score honestly, study the winner, own their gaps, rescore, and write from data. That's how a small channel outthinks a big one. Happy? Advance the stage with the next button up here in the header. Notice Discover is now locked. That's deliberate. Decisions carry forward. They don't get re-litigated every time you open the card. Your hook is already sitting here waiting. One click for a full script outline. Intro, sections, outro, each with a suggested timing and a word count up top. This is a first draft, and it's your draft. Type straight into it, cut what you don't like, or ignore it and write from scratch. The point is, you never face a blank page again. Package is everything you need before you pick up a camera, and it's the deepest stage, so let me take it top to bottom. First, the AI thumbnail generator. Check the video title. Whatever's written here is what gets painted into the image. Pick a tone and a style, then generate brief. It writes the visual concept for you. Then generate thumbnail. When your thumbnail lands, do this immediately. Click Use This. That saves it to the card. You'll see it appear in the header. If you click away without saving, the image is gone and that generation's spent. You get a daily allowance on Creator, so make them count. Download grabs the file for YouTube Studio. The refresh icon re-rolls, and if you'd rather use your own design, there's an upload panel right below. Under the image, ApexVeo even explains why this thumbnail should earn clicks. Then the gut check. Does your title plus thumbnail make someone click? Yes locks it in. Not sure regenerates the thumbnail. No sends you back to the title. Below that, CTR prediction. Drag the slider to the click-through rate you honestly expect. It feels uncomfortable. Do it anyway. In the learn stage, ApexVeo compares your prediction to reality, and that gap is how your instincts improve. A/B notes and an SEO opener live here too. The rest of package is your shoot pack. Final title, hook, the locked script, a description angle, tags, your call to action. Always double check this line, the promise you're making the viewer, how you'll voice it, and an AI prompt pack if you use tools for B-roll. The 10-point checklist at the bottom is your ready to film gate. All ticked, pick up the camera. Create is where filming and editing live. Version notes, final runtime, and a 6-step export checklist ending in final export complete. Distribute handles everywhere the video goes. The long form upload, shorts with a slot for your Opus Clip project, Instagram, TikTok, your email list, community post, 6 boxes. When they're ticked, you actually shipped it everywhere. Publish is YouTube Studio Prep. Paste the video URL here the moment it's live. That switches on automatic performance tracking. Generate the SEO description, hit copy description, paste. Same for tags, 15 to 20, comma separated, ready to go. An export brief up here bundles the whole card into a document. Perfect if an editor or a VA runs your uploads. And then the stage that makes ApexVeo different, learn. Views, click-through, remember your prediction, average watch time, subscriber change, and revenue in actual money. The ROI panel weighs what the video earned against the time and cost you put in. Do this for every video and patterns appear fast. What to make more of, and what was 3 weeks of your life you'll never get back. Around the pipeline, you've got 4 more views. Deadlines. Every card with a date on a calendar. Analytics. Your whole operation at a glance. Ideas, in production, launched, revenue, profit. Insights finds patterns across winners and losers. Promotions builds behavioral triggers. And this campaign button? One brief becomes an entire multi-platform campaign. That's its own video coming next. That's ApexVeo. One idea, one card, 7 stages. Nothing lost in a Notes app ever again. Start your free trial at apexveo.com and finish what you start.